Before DJI even says a single official word, the DJI Avata 360 is already making waves across the internet, showing up for pre-order at a US retailer and immediately sparking massive excitement and curiosity among drone enthusiasts, content creators, and FPV fans. And yes, that alone is wild. It is extremely rare to see a major DJI product appear in online listings before the company has made any formal announcement. Along with these early listings, new images have surfaced, bundle details are spreading rapidly, and discussions are popping up everywhere. Suddenly, this drone feels far closer to reality than anyone expected just a few weeks ago. If you have been waiting for something fresh, immersive, and a little unexpected from DJI, this leak is definitely worth paying attention to because it could signal a major shift in how the company approaches FPV and 360-degree aerial content. Let's start right where most of the excitement is focused: the pre-orders. A US-based retailer has listed the DJI Avata 360 ahead of any official confirmation, complete with stock tracking indicators, accessory options, reservation-style listings, and estimated shipping windows. Normally, this level of detail only appears when a product launch is imminent or when retailers have strong confidence that official inventory is on the way. In most cases, authorized partners receive early information directly from manufacturers, allowing them to prepare listings ahead of time. However, in this situation, there is a major catch that buyers need to understand before rushing to place an order. This retailer is not listed as an authorized DJI dealer, which introduces a serious layer of uncertainty and potential risk. That means warranty coverage, firmware support, and even product authenticity could become complicated if something goes wrong. From the leaked images and early promotional materials, it is clear that DJI is approaching the Avata 360 launch with a carefully planned bundle strategy. The company appears to be targeting different types of users with very specific package options. The base bundle is as minimal as it gets. It includes only the Avata 360 drone itself with a battery pre-installed, a small set of spare propellers, mounting screws, a compact camera protector that seems designed specifically for FPV mode, and a USB-C charging cable. There are no goggles, no controller, no carrying case, and no extra batteries included. This bundle is clearly not designed for beginners or first-time FPV users. Instead, it is aimed directly at experienced DJI pilots who already own compatible goggles and controllers and simply want to add the new drone to their existing setup without paying extra for accessories they already have. This approach makes a lot of sense from a business standpoint. DJI knows that a significant portion of its FPV customer base already owns goggles and controllers from previous models. By offering a strip-down option, the company allows loyal users to upgrade at a lower cost while maintaining flexibility. It also reduces electronic waste and unnecessary duplication, which aligns with modern sustainability trends. At the same time, it keeps the entry price lower for experienced pilots who just want the drone itself. Then comes the standard ready-to-fly option, commonly referred to in leaks as the Fly Smart Combo. This bundle seems designed to welcome new users into the FPV ecosystem with minimal friction. In addition to everything included in the base package, buyers receive DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, and the required charging accessories. Essentially, this bundle allows users to open the box, charge the equipment, and start flying with very little setup or compatibility confusion. For beginners or casual creators, this package offers a smoother learning curve and a more user-friendly entry point into immersive drone flying. This standard combo also reflects DJI's long-standing philosophy of making advanced technology accessible to mainstream users. By packaging everything together, the company removes many of the technical barriers that often discourage newcomers. Users do not need to research compatibility, hunt for accessories, or worry about missing components. Everything they need is already included, which helps build confidence and encourages adoption. For those who hate battery anxiety and love being fully prepared, the Fly More combo appears to be the most appealing option. This premium package includes everything from the standard bundle, but adds multiple extra batteries, a dedicated charging hub, additional spare propellers, and a structured hard carrying case. The leaked images also suggest that this bundle may include Goggles 3, which are considered the higher-end viewing option in DJI's lineup. This package is clearly aimed at serious enthusiasts, professional creators, and travelers who want longer flight sessions, fewer interruptions, easier transport, and a more organized workflow. With multiple batteries and a charging hub, users can rotate power sources throughout the day, significantly extending their shooting time. The hard case adds protection during travel, while extra propellers ensure that minor accidents do not end a shooting session prematurely. Overall, this bundle seems tailored for long filming days, commercial projects, and creators who rely on consistent performance. Interestingly, the variety of bundles seen so far suggests that DJI may be planning an even wider lineup than what has leaked. It is entirely possible that additional regional packages, promotional bundles, or limited editions will appear after the official announcement. What we are seeing now could represent only a portion of the full launch strategy. However, before getting carried away with excitement, it is important to address the warnings and risks associated with these early listings. DJI has not officially announced the Avata 360. There has been no press release, no launch event, and no confirmation from the company's official channels. The retailer accepting pre-orders is not authorized, and several listings describe units as unsealed, already activated, or imported international versions. This raises serious concerns about product origin and quality control. Unsealed or activated units may have been used for demonstrations, testing, or resale, which could affect battery health, performance, and longevity. International versions may have firmware limitations, regional restrictions, or compatibility issues. Warranty coverage is also unclear, and buyers may struggle to receive official support if problems arise. Firmware updates might be delayed or unavailable, and some features could remain locked. Overall, this retailer appears to operate more like a drop shipper than a traditional partner, making caution absolutely necessary. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where opinions will likely be divided. Based on current pre-order listings, prices vary widely depending on the bundle. The base bundle with one intelligent flight battery is listed at around $999.99, positioning it as a premium FPV drone even without accessories. The Fly More bundle that includes one battery and the RC2 controller is priced at approximately $1,299.99, offering a more balanced option for users who want essential controls without going all in. The higher-end Fly More bundle with 3 batteries, a charging hub, carrying case, and RC2 controller reaches about $1,799.99, reflecting its professional focus. There is also a single-unit listing at $1,799.99 described as new but unsealed and already activated, which raises red flags given the high price and uncertain condition. A Motion Fly More bundle is expected to land around the same $1,799.99 mark, adding RC Motion 2 and Goggles N3 into the mix. These prices suggest that DJI is positioning the Avata 360 as a premium product rather than a budget-friendly FPV option. Compared to earlier Avata models and competing drones, this pricing reflects advanced imaging capabilities, immersive features, and possibly new sensor technology. If the final official pricing aligns with these leaks, the Avata 360 will likely target serious hobbyists and professionals rather than casual users. From a broader perspective, this launch could represent a strategic move by DJI to strengthen its dominance in immersive aerial content. With the rise of 360-degree video, VR experiences, and social media storytelling, creators are increasingly looking for tools that offer both flexibility and cinematic quality. A compact FPV drone with built-in 360 capabilities could fill a unique niche in the market, allowing users to capture dynamic footage that can be reframed later in post-production. If DJI delivers strong stabilization, high-resolution recording, and seamless software integration, the Avata 360 could become a favorite among YouTubers, filmmakers, and travel vloggers. It may also appeal to virtual reality enthusiasts who want to experience flight footage in fully immersive environments. Combined with DJI's established ecosystem of apps, editing tools, and accessories, this drone has the potential to become a central part of modern content workflows. At the same time, competition in the FPV and 360 camera space is growing. Brands like Insta360, GoPro, and emerging drone manufacturers are constantly innovating. DJI will need to offer clear advantages in reliability, image quality, and user experience to justify its premium pricing. Early leaks suggest that the company is confident in its product, but only an official launch and real-world testing will reveal its true performance. So now the big question remains: which bundle actually makes the most sense for you? The barebones base option is ideal for experienced pilots who already own DJI accessories and want to save money. The standard combo offers a balanced entry point for newcomers who want a complete setup without overspending. The Fly More bundle is perfect for power users who value long sessions, portability, and professional reliability. Each option serves a different type of user, and the right choice depends entirely on your goals, budget, and experience level. As the leaks continue and official information slowly emerges, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing drone releases in recent years. Whether these early listings turn out to be accurate or slightly exaggerated, they have already succeeded in building massive anticipation. Until DJI makes its official move, the best approach is to stay informed, remain cautious, and avoid rushing into risky pre-orders. Now it is your turn. Which bundle appeals to you the most? The minimalist base package, the balanced standard combo, or the all-in Fly More setup? And more importantly, why does it fit your needs? Share your thoughts, compare opinions with the community, and let's see which option comes out on top as excitement around the Avata 360 continues to grow.